Namaste, Dr. Sheetal Asutkar here, Professor and Head of the Department of Shalya Tantra and PG Convener at Mahatma Gandhi Ayurved College, Hospital and Research Center, Datta Meghe Institute of Higher Education and Research, Wardha, Maharashtra. With over 25 years of academic, surgical and research experience, I have remained committed to nurturing excellence in Ayurvedic education and healthcare. Over the years, I have taught undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD scholars, engaging more than 3,000 students through structured theory, tutorials and lab-based learning. I have actively implemented the National Education Policy by integrating clinical case-based learning, research-led modules and multidisciplinary collaborations. I consistently extend learning beyond the syllabus through the use of simulations tools, skill labs, live demonstrations and digital repositories. I have developed innovative content, e-flip books and MOOC style learning resources and organized over 50 webinars under the Surgery Gazette initiative. Blended and experiential learning methodologies have been at the core of my teaching model with focused handholding, student mentoring and remedial coaching for academically weaker students. My academic leadership includes serving as PG Program Convener, Vice Dean and Member Secretary of the Institutional Ethics Committee at my institute. I have developed and validated simulation-based experiments and model-based surgical learning for concepts like Sharasutra, Jalokavacharan and Agnikarma. In research and innovation, I have authored over 100 publications, filed 5 patents, have been granted to and secured a rupees 1.5 crore grant by applying for ICMR research proposal for an Ayurvedic burn care nanogel. I have guided 15 PG and 20 PhD scholars with several pursuing international careers. I also serve as an editorial board member of 6 journals and advisor to global Ayurveda associations. Through more than 20 years of outreach, I have conducted numerous surgical camps in rural and tribal areas of Maharashtra, supporting regional health development. As a startup mentor, I have contributed to the design of patient-friendly Ayurvedic tools and protocols. My work contributes directly to SDGs, especially universal health, education equity, and indigenous knowledge preservation. I have been honored with prestigious awards including the Dhanvantari Samman, Sushrut Puraskar, Sushrut Ratna Puraskar, Best Female Surgeon Award, Best PG Teacher and Best General Surgeon Award by reputed institutions and forums over India and globe. I aim to bridge tradition with innovation, skilled and competent Ayurvedic surgeons equipped for the global stage. Thank you for considering my journey for this national honor.